Hello there and welcome back for this video. In this video I want to speak about Django, the Python framework, and for this video we want to speak about the model, how you can create it. A model is a ORM path inside the Django, so you can connect to the database and just work out of the box and don't need all the SQL statements. Of course, if you know something about the databases, it's a bonus, but it's not a requirement. I will show how you can create your first model inside the Django framework. I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel. You can do it in the right corner below. If you have any questions to this video or just to me or other video, please leave a comments below and then I will try to answer fast I can. So I think it's a time to code. Let's go ahead. We are working with the post model here. So what we're going to do is going inside the models here, and then we can create a model. We can call it post, just post, and then just model here. Then we have creating the model, and what we're gonna do and what we're gonna need, it should be the title, and this should be a chart field, and you use the max length to 200. I think the title, it's okay, it's not bigger than that. And then we have a content for the post, and this should be the text field because we don't know how much text we want to type. And then we have a date. I'll just say created at date, and whoops, let me say models date field. That field. And that should be what we need. And I'll just create this. And then we're going back for the Python here. And the only thing we need to do now is just say type manage Python I need to go inside the hello world here. Python manage, and then we need to make migration, and then we have creating the migration, and you can see that we have a migration folder somewhere. Yes, migration folder here, and when we open it we can see what's happening inside. It's creating just the migration for this post, and create the model and post and ID and the title and the content, and create that. So that's perfect. When we are sure we have this, we can just say Python make and then migrate, and you can see we have migrated it correct and everything is fine. If you can see we have a 0001, and that's meaning we have the number 1 migration. So if you're in the case where you need to migrate a specific version, then you can just say Python merge SQL migrate, and then post for 0001. And if you do this, and then it will be fine. And that's it. I can just see post here, and you can see nothing it's happening. So that's it, and that's how you can work with models. I really hope you get the point for this, and it's pretty easy. And stay tuned, and hope to see you with the next video. And I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel and get more videos from me, and like and share this video. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.